We are a different company. Kuipo is one of the largest equipment rental and banking companies in the country and has its auction and valuation wing. We are a part of Shrey Infrastructure Finance. In fact, we are a wholly owned subsidiary of Shrey Infrastructure Finance. And Machine Bank approached us, and we find that it's a very innovative web solution whereby they can be of great support to the infrastructure and the construction industry as a whole. The gamut of services which they are bringing in is unique in its own nature, and we thought that patronizing them would help the cause of the industry at large, and therefore we are patronizing them. We are patronizing them, or we are mentoring them, so that they can aid the industry. It's largely in the interest of the industry. I think they are using a whole gamut of services, from displaying the products on sale to disposal to rental machineries to sourcing of people to spare parts sourcing, everything associated with the construction machineries. They are hosting all the services, and these services would be of great help to the construction industry, not only in India but overseas, and it will eventually launch the platform overseas to know what is available in the country. So that way I think it's a very unique solution, and we look forward to its success. It is totally online. We'll have to wait and watch, but right now it is I think it's a web solution, it's a online solution, but I'm sure that it will gain its prominence in the country because they're the first to come up with such things. Although Kuipo has one online solution, we are into auctioning and disposal of machineries on online basis, but it will only complement the services. Now we are helping them in the sense that, on advisory support, we are helping them. We have our rental machineries which they will be uploading for rent. We have a whole host of machineries available with us for day-to-day maintenance, our various services that we offer, fleet management services, equipment bank. So they would be promoting all these services.